Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Hello, audience. Thank you for coming here to meet me. It's nice to meet all of you.
Sir, can you please tell us how can we gain a success more easily?
There is no single answer to this question. Everyone's journey to success is different. However, there are some things that all successful people have in common, such as hard work, dedication, and perseverance. So if you want to be successful, you need to develop these qualities and never give up.
Sir, how can we stay motivated in our life?
Staying motivated is not always easy, but it is important. There are a few things you can do to stay motivated, such as setting goals, staying positive, and taking action. Additionally, you can find a mentor or a role model who can inspire you to reach your goals.
Sir, please tell us how can we set our goals?
Setting goals is an important step on the road to success. To set effective goals, you need to be clear about what you want to achieve and have a plan of action to achieve them. Additionally, you need to stay motivated and focused on your goals, and be prepared to take action and make sacrifices to achieve them.
Sir, what are your goals in the life?
Goals in life are to always work hard, stay dedicated, and be successful. I also want to help others achieve their goals and be a positive influence in their lives.
What kind of awards have you earned in your life?
I have won a number of awards in my life, including the Creative Entrepreneur of the Year Award and the Star Youth Achiever Award. These awards are a testament to all the hard work and dedication I have put in. They are also a recognition of my efforts to help others achieve their dreams.
Sir, may you please help us to get success more easily?
There is no single answer to this question. Everyone's journey to success is different. However, there are some things that all successful people have in common, such as hard work, dedication, and perseverance. So if you want to be successful, you need to develop these qualities and never give up.
Thank you, sir, for session.
Thank you, audience. I hope you found this session helpful.
Sir, do you have any last message for our audience?
There is no one answer to this question. However, if you want to be successful, you need to work hard, stay dedicated, and never give up. Additionally, you can model who can inspire you to reach your goals.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, audience. I hope you found this session helpful.